Adidas Ultraboost. You've made my day.
How old are you?
What is up, everybody? My name is Randy and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day because today's the day that I received my first pair of Adidas Ultraboost 21s. In this video, I'll be going over why I bought these shoes and my review and recommendations to you guys if you guys are on the fence of whether or not you should buy it or not. So, first things first, why did I buy these shoes? So I actually bought these shoes because I will be going to Vegas in a few weeks here for the first time. And I was told that there's a lot of walking around. So I wanted a shoe that was both stylish and comfortable to walk in. You're gonna be walking from place to place most of the time, so you need a comfortable shoe to get around in. And I'm also the type of person that don't like to bring a lot of shoes on vacation, so I just wanted like one shoe that would match all of my outfits. And I don't know, I feel like the Ultraboost does just that. I'm not the most shoe savvy guy, but I watched a lot of YouTube videos like this one and I decided to pick the Ultraboost because number one, I feel like it looked the best out of all of the options. I own a lot of Adidas and every Adidas I've ever owned has been super comfortable on my feet. So Adidas did a great job with this shoe. So these shoes came out in January 2021, this year. They are $180. It's very expensive, not cheap at all. I would say that's probably the biggest deterrent that stopped me from buying it for a while. I was very hesitant on buying these shoes because they were so expensive, but I just fell in love with it. I just fell in love with the look, the design. This is a shoe that you can just tell that is going to be comfortable just by the look of it. Yeah, I just pretty much fell in love with it and went against my wallet and decided to buy these shoes. First impression getting these out of the box, they look amazing. I mean, they look really, really good. They feel really, really nice. They look high-end. The bottom of the shoe just looks great. I mean, I can totally, just by touching it, I can tell that it's gonna have really good traction when you walk or run or whatever you want to do with this shoe. Me mainly, I'm not gonna use it to go to the gym or to go exercise or something. I think that's kind of a waste. I mean, these are really expensive shoes. I'm mainly gonna wear these for casual wear and just for, you know, walking around. I own a ton of Adidas, so I already knew that these were going to be super comfortable because all of the Adidas shoes I've owned are super comfortable and I have no problem, no issues with them when I walk with them for a very long time. So some of you may be wondering why I got this specific color. So after looking through all of the different colorways, I believe that this all white one, they call it cloud white. Like really, this is the only one that will match almost any and every outfit that you wanna combine this with. So that's why I got the white. I believe the white is the best color to get. If you're deciding on which color to get, I would recommend you get the cloud white. So my review after wearing the shoe, these shoes are super comfortable. I mean, they're a snug fit. They fit right on your feet and your toes. I would say they squeeze it a little bit, but I actually kind of like that. Some of you may not, so consider that before buying. I just love the look of it, how it's like super thick. And when you're stepping and walking around in them, I mean, the shape, how it sort of curves when you walk is just perfect, you know. You're gonna be super comfortable walking in these the whole day. So if you are looking to buy these shoes, I would say go ahead and buy it because they lived up to my expectations. They're super comfortable, they look amazing, they match with every outfit. But if you're going to get it, you should get the cloud whites like I did. I believe it's the best one because it's gonna match anything you put on. My second option would have been the all blacks. But if you're buying a brand new shoe, you want it to stand out, you want it to show up, I would say get the white over the blacks. Like with any shoe, the only downside to the whites is that there's a high chance that it could get dirty. So you'll have to be super careful, be super extra safe when you're walking around, make sure you're not stepping in any mud puddles. And the other one is just $180 for the shoe. Is just a little bit too expensive in my opinion. I think it should be around the $120 price maybe. But next year when they come out with the 22s, I'll definitely be picking up some more 21s at a reduced cost because I just love the look of the shoe and would love to get it in a different color as well. All right, so let me know what you guys thought about these shoes in the comment section down below. Have you purchased these? What are your thoughts? If you're on the fence, let me know if you're gonna buy these or not. I hope that you do. Join the club, join the Ultraboost 21 clubs. I mean, these look amazing. And this is also like the new trend nowadays, wearing running shoes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys next time.